Hey guys, how's it going today? We got the 07 4Runner, we got the LS, we got the brand new 05 4Runner, the Corolla, everything's here today. And today I kind of want to show you guys a really simple mod to actually improve your own health. Little clickbaity, but we're going to be talking about cabin air filters today. They're the one thing that we always talk about. Yeah, you should probably switch it. Oh yeah, I'm going to switch it. Yeah, super easy to switch. But it's really important. I have been off like the past 2 weeks with tonsillitis. I don't know if anyone's ever had oh, listen to that. If anyone's ever had tonsillitis before, it's brutal. And kind of as I was off, I was just researching like filters and stuff, and I came across cabin air filters, and I did a bunch of research. And what I found is that there's a lot of different kinds, and cabin air filters are important because it actually filters the air coming in and out of your truck. If you have a lot of allergies or you have sensitive lungs, get a good cabin air filter. I picked up these. These are actually activated charcoal filters. So I'll open them up and I'll show you guys what they look like here. All right, so here we go. I got these off Rock Auto, and so you can see the part number here, LAK466. These are from Mall. Cabin air filters. These are activated charcoal. So if I pull them out, you can kind of see they have activated charcoal within them. The added benefit of activated charcoal is that it actually helps with odors. And so if you have like a truck that's been smoked in, maybe you drive over skunks, or maybe you have a lot of smelly stuff around you, your truck just might smell like garbage. The activated charcoal element in the filter does help with odor. Pretty cool. A little bit more of a premium filter. I did not pay that much for these. I think I paid like 20 bucks each for them. I'm going to go ahead and pull out the cabin air filter from my 07 and show you guys what it looks like. I believe it's a stock filter. I haven't changed it since I've owned it. And then I'll pull out the 05. The 05 is a brand new one. It's also been smoked in. And so we'll see what that filter looks like too. But this is the brand new one. This goes in both the 05 and the 07. And so I'll show you guys how to take out your cabin air filter in your 4th Gen 4Runner here too. So let me set that up. All right, and then to get access to your passenger side door, simply open the door and then open the glove box here. Once you open the glove box, you're gonna see there's a tab over here. You're just gonna pry that out. Over here, there's gonna also be a tab. Just gonna push this in, pull it down. Oops. This one can be a little bit finicky. You get the kind of... And I just took out my entire glove box, but that's completely okay. This tray right here, you can kind of see it, sir, it's out of focus. Right here is your cabin air filter. You can see it says up, have that up. I'm gonna slide mine out, and whoa, look at that. This thing is dirty. We got leaves in here. I live in Alberta. There's a lot of pollen here. And so this thing's gonna be loaded up with pollen. I'm gonna bring it out here. And now I'm gonna just pull out the 05 air filter. We're gonna compare them. So one sec, let me grab the other one out and let's see how bad the other one is. All right guys, same thing. You can see I just took out the 05 cabin air filter. Just like the other one, this thing is disgusting. There's literally a dead wasp. So you can see these two. Got the 05s here. We got the 07 here. Looks like these came in different orientations. I'm not sure if whoever put them in the wrong way. But I'm going to see when refitting these if they fit differently, if they're supposed to be a certain way you put them in. But as you can see, these things are just littered with dead leaves, bugs, pollen, all sorts of allergens. So if you have sensitive lungs, if you have asthma, if you have anything like that, keep in mind when you're turning on your air filter is holding all these allergens. So that air that's being sucked into the truck is actually going to be full of this crap. Yeah, it filters it a little bit, but look at the importance of changing these suckers out. I'm going to pull out one of the new ones here and you can see the difference. Jinkies. This is going to be worth it. So I'm going to pull these off the plastic housing here and make sure that they go the right way. All right, so for taking these out, all you got to do, you're not going to reuse them, just pull them out. Kind of gross. Next one, same thing. Take them and pull them out. And I want to show you guys a difference between some of the options on the market. See this one, this is the new activated charcoal filter I have on the right. More of a premium filter. Look at how much thicker this one is. That is all the filtration that's happening with the air going into your truck. This one is so flimsy, very weak. Guys, these are your lungs. You only got one set of lungs. I know I'm on a little bit of a health bend here because I've been sick, but it's important to be mindful of what goes into your body. So old one, new one on the right. You can see on the back here we got arrows. Arrows are going to follow the orientation on the filter. Say it says arrow up. We're going to slide that in there. Use some little tabs on the side. I'm going to match them to here, to there. Not getting the best fit, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it around this way, making sure the arrow is still going up. Yep, arrow's going up. I'm going to slide it in there. That's a much better fit. Push down gently, try not to rip anything. Making sure it goes to the edges of each side. We're getting that full extension. That is snug. That looks great. Arrow up. I'm going to install that in the same orientation. Boom, right back into the truck. I'm going to do the exact same thing with the other one. I'll show you guys even just because I'm right here. Take the new filter. On the Toyota, it has the arrow up. We have on our filter the arrow goes up. I slide it in this way, making sure it goes underneath the tabs. Ka-chow. Sliding that in there, underneath the tabs. Boom. Really tight fit. We want that snug fit so all the air is being forced to go through the filter. Really easy. I'm going to slide these back in. Same thing for the install. You slide it back in, clip the glove box, and you are good to go. I'd recommend maybe changing these. It depends where you are. If you're in the States, every 20,000 miles. If you're in Canada, like every 30,000 kilometers. But if you're in a place with tons of pollen, tons of bugs, tons of dust, just take a peek. It's so easy. It takes you 10 seconds to take a look at these things. These are your lungs we're talking about, folks. Be health conscious. Do a mod that's good for your body and also your truck. And so that's the end of the video for today, guys. I'm going to just install these back. And yeah, sorry for the delay in uploads. I've been terribly sick, but I hope you guys are all doing well. Thanks so much for all the subs and all the comments. It's been awesome to get to know you guys better. So until next time, peace. Decided to just throw in a little bit extra because I know some people struggle with hearing things on how to do something instead of seeing it. So guys, to install it, you got your up, got your cabin air filter, slides in. You'll have your tabs, they go just over there. Might not get a click, but you'll get a nice snug fit. Give it a few tugs, that's not going anywhere. Glove box, same thing. If you took it off like me, you're gonna have these little things and you'll have these little clips. And so you're just gonna get the clip over top of it, push it in. It's gonna meet it, and then you'll just install those things back on the side. So anyways, take care, guys.